How's it going, bros? My name is PewDiePie. Welcome, 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 welcome. We're at night 2. I'm already struggling. This is not... My hair is doing great, though. So that's a plus. That's always up. Alright. I'm fairly confident. She's confident. Oh, no, no. Oh, sorry. Edgar smells like ass today. I don't know what the fuck that's all about. Can we just talk about how fucking sexy their underwear is? I mean, at least they nailed that part. At least. Get it? I don't. Please explain. They're all there. It's not so much about they're all there. It's just as much about just checking the fucking air vents, it seems like. At least that's my tactic. And it's going so fucking well so far. They're so cute. That, you know what? I ship them with myself. I love the cheeks. They're so cute. They're like a giant fucking tumor or a pimple or some shit. I don't know. Maybe it's just personal, but I'm very much into that stuff. So I also realized that you can kind of hear them when they go to the vent. Shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm fucked now, aren't I? There you go. Fuck off, mate. Pull. I heard one of them. You see? Yes, he's in there now. Fuck. Don't fuck me, alright? I have feelings, thank you. At least some people have some integrity. Y'all cowards don't even smoke crack. What's up with that? Oh, he's gone. Thank fucking Lord, baby. Thank the Lord. Praise the Jesus. The Jesus shall be praised. Doing good. Doing good, bros. It's 4 a.m. 4 a.m. waking up in the morning, gotta be fresh, gotta go downstairs, gotta have my ass, gotta have my ass taking on and on everybody. Fuck off, Freddy. I mean, Steve, whatever. Gotta get down to the bus stop, gotta catch my bus, I see my friend. Kicking in the front seat, eating ass in the back seat. Gotta make my mind up, which ass can I take? It's ass. Get it? I changed the lyrics with ass. It's funny that way. Well, fuck what I don't know what to do with you if you don't think that shit's funny. I'm sorry, but I don't know what. Oh, it's you, buddy. My best friend. My best friend in the whole world. My best friend. 1 more hour, buddy. 1 more hour to go. Oh god, it's a balloon bitch. Where is he? I heard him laugh. I hate the balloon bitch. It's the biggest douchey snobble in the world. Where? Oh god, he's in the vents. Balloon bitch in the vents. Balloon bitch in the vents. Oh, fuck off. Fuck off. I'm busy being preoccupied with balloon bitch. Alright. Fuck. Come on. He's still there? You fucking cunt face! I was gone for like 2 seconds. What am I supposed to do? Eat a fucking dick. Come on, fuck me already. It's been long enough. Is balloons my trigger word or like, what's up? Oh no, I'm so scared. Wait, I fucking did it? I did it! Woo! I'm the best player in the world! Balloons can go fuck himself! Yeah! Awesome. High five. That's awesome. Thank you. Oh, what is this? What is this, huh? I'm at the pizzeria. Es molto ilacotato. Hey, buddy, how you doing, man? How you doing? Alright, well, that's good. He's like, hey, you got the crack cocaine? Alright, let's do this. Oh. Hey, girl, how you? It's me. It said it's me up there in the corner. I don't know. 3rd night. Doing great, bros. Proud of you. I'm so proud of bros. I'm so. I feel like since we did this one, we can do anything. Anything. And I mean it.
Hello? You gotta tell me you wouldn't have any problems. Did Foxy ever appear in the hallway? Probably not. I was just curious. Like I said, he was always my favorite. They tried to remake Foxy, you know?
I don't know what the fuck he's talking about. I don't know, sure if I even give a shit.
They redesigned him to be more kid-friendly, put him in kids' code to keep the toddlers entertained, you know? But kids these days just can't keep their hands to themselves. The staff literally
I fucking hate that guy. Biggest douche in the world.
Eventually they just stopped trying and left him as some kind of take apart, put back together a
Men din jävla satans fittröv. What the fucking cake ass? I'm fucking listening to his fucking asshole. Fuckity fuck fuck fuck. Fuck 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 fuck. Fuck. What the fuck? What the shit? What's that all about? Fucking Steve came out of nowhere. What a fucking bitch bag. Now I can't listen to the phone call anymore. It's like, what am I supposed to do about it? Thought when you wind down a music box, it start off from the beginning. Oh, you're not fucking me now? I'm not pretty enough for you? Fuck off, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off, fuck off. Fuck 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 off. Fuck fuck off, fuck fuck off, fuck off off. La da da dee dee da, la da dee da da dee, la da da dee dee da. Fuck 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 off. Alright. At least we know he's gonna come in the beginning. That's what she said. Ha! What, you don't like sexual innuendos? What are you? You're complete without sense of humor? You have too much integrity for that type of low sense of humor? I get that at least. At least it'd be fuck fuck off, fuck fuck off, fuck 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 off, fuck 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 off, fuck 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 off, fuck fuck off. This is Morse code for fuck fuck off. Fuck 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 off. You think you get the trick after a while. Alright, you're gonna fuck me or what? Fuck off. Ah, you fucked off. Fuck off the game. I should just rename it that. Alright, the music box, I forgot. I always get like cocky. Like I was like, oh, this is going pretty well. And then I die at like 5 AM. Like I barely made night 2. How the fuck am I gonna make the rest of this shit? Oh god. Fuck fuck off. Fuck fuck off. Fuck 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 off. Fuck 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 off. Fuck 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 off. Fuck fuck off. Fuck fuck off. Fuck 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 off. Fuck fuck off off off. Fuck 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 off. 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 Fuck. 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 Oh no! He fucked my flashlight! Look at that shit! Oh god, okay, that was close. He just fucking ate my flashlight. You see that? That is some grade A bullshit. Bullshit, not bullshit, bullshit. It's French, it's more finer. You wouldn't understand. You would never understand. See, I don't even have to look at those assholes anymore. Fuck fuck off, fuck fuck off, fuck 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 off, fuck 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 off, fuck 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 off. Getting real tired of your shit. Fuck off already. Damn music box needs to be home. And he's gonna fuck me in 1, 2, fuck. Damn it. I was kind of hoping for it. My body kind of started tingling up a little bit. I was like, I'm ready. Take me, sweet prince. As long as that balloon boy isn't. Oh, he's dead. Really? Where? Balloon boy, are you out there? Are you out there, balloon boy? Oh, don't say hi to me, balloon boy. We all know what your true intentions are. Hey, buddies! How you doing there, buddies? We're best friends, right? We best friends in the whole wide world. We best friends. We best friends. See, he fucked my battery again. Look at my battery right now. Look at my battery and tell me he did not completely just suck that shit up. How fucking dare you? Have some fucking integrity. Have some thought for your girlfriend. Hey, I can be your girlfriend. No way. I think you need to know what. Sorry, I need to entertain myself some way in this fucking game. Hey, yo, I can be a shit, they're in the vents. I repeat, asshole in the vent. Fuck off. Oh god, they're both there. Oh god, and oh, this is multi-badato per. Oh god, very bad in English. I don't know how you say it. Jesus Christ, I have to check so much shit. Stop winding down this fucking ass. Stop winding down this fucking ass. That's my new theme song. I swear to God, if I die from this. Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off. Oh, come on, that's not fair, man. It wasn't me. Who's that bitch around the corner? It worked! Ah! Nate, no. Alright, friends. Leave a like for next part. And I will see you in the next one. As always, stay awesome, bro.